Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Cara. If you're new, today I am going to be doing a big Missguided haul. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know I am absolutely obsessed with Missguided. It's my favorite place to shop. They have such great sales, such great prices on their clothes, and it is seriously like really good quality. I pretty much have liked everything I've ever ordered from there. I've never gotten something and been like, oh damn, this looks cheap, or anything. So today I'm going to be opening up this big bag and trying everything on for you guys. So I just got finished unwrapping everything and trying everything on. So the first piece that I tried on were these sweatpants right here. I don't know if you can see it with the bright lights, but they're actually like two different colors. We have the darker pink and the light pink. So I thought that was really cute. What I didn't notice until I was taking them off is there's actually a little gold Missguided logo right there, which is pretty cute. These sweatpants were so comfortable. I have another pair from Missguided that are also comfortable, but these are even more comfortable. Like, they're super plush. Like, that's what I mean about, like, it's inexpensive, but it's not cheap quality at all. Like, this is like a really nice material, really thick and comfy and cute. So that was the first thing that I tried on. Loved that. I tried that on with this top right here. So this is just like a cute little, probably like workout top. It went really well together, so who knows, maybe I'll wear it together. But just like kind of like comfy is still my vibe of how I'm ordering clothes, because obviously like all we've been wearing is comfy clothes. So yeah, I kind of stuck with that. I'm not gonna get like a bunch of summer going somewhere outfits because I'm not gonna be going that many places. So yeah, first two items I really loved. The next top that I tried on, this one will take me like through fall. I got it because I really loved the ruching on it. I thought that was really cute. So I have a black bra on, tried it on with a black bra. Can't do that. I should have definitely wore like a nude one, and that's the same for a couple of the items that I bought, because this is kind of like a color that I always gravitate to. So shouldn't have tried anything on with a black bra. So if you can see it in these clips, I'm sorry, but this shirt is really cute too. I would also probably not wear this with like a padded push-up bra because I thought my boobs look maybe too big in it, because runching always makes things look bigger. Like, that's why everyone likes the bikini bottoms that have like the runching in the middle. It makes your butt look bigger. So same thing goes for this. So I would probably not wear such a like push-up bra with that. The next top was this right here. This is just such a cute basic. I love having a lot of basics in my closet because I kind of just wear basics and it just comes in handy. Like, if you have like a crazy skirt or pants or something, like, you need to wear it with a basic. So having a bunch of things like this is great. I'm actually going to check to see if they have this in other colors. Let's see. I tried this on. I should be saying the sizes too, huh? I'll put the sizes on the screen for the ones that I haven't said. But this one here is a size 6, and I'll also put the price on it. I know I got everything like an extra 20% off of those prices, but it doesn't tell you what that is exactly. I'll put it all on the screen. The next thing I tried on was another nude color. This is like a crop top little t-shirt, says over it. I thought that was really cute. And yeah, I just love wearing this color. Goes with everything. I pretty much just buy this color in black, but in the summer I try not to buy like as much black, so that's my colors. The next item that I bought was this cropped denim jacket. I have a bunch of denim jackets, but I don't have a cropped one. And then sometimes you want, like, I tried it on with a crop top, which I probably wouldn't do, but just because that was what the last thing I had on. But sometimes like just having different lengths of jackets can really like make or break an outfit. Like, if you want to show your waistline, but you want to wear a denim jacket, like say you have like high-waisted pants on, then you can't really show like a snatched midsection if you're wearing like a bulky denim jacket. So basically I try to like match if something's like oversized, then the other thing will be cropped, or if something's tight, then the other item that I wear is like loose. Like that's kind of what I usually try to go for. So you're not in like all baggy clothes or all tight clothes. The next thing I ordered is just a plain t-shirt, but it's a cute color for summer. So I could wear this around the house. I can wear this with like little biker shorts. That would be cute too, because it is like a baggy shirt. And the same for the next one. I kind of pictured wearing this t-shirt with like biker shorts too. So this is the only black thing I ordered, surprisingly. But yeah, I thought it was cute. I don't have any like band t-shirts, like rocker t-shirts. So I could either wear this with biker shorts, could wear this with like denim. I could wear this, I would even wear this like doing makeup, like clients' makeup. I typically will just like wear all black, but I don't mind that it's got the little, you know, something on it. I think that could still be really cute. And I got this in a size medium. The other baggy t-shirt I also got in a medium. And the last thing that I tried on was this little dress. So this was probably the only thing that I wasn't completely in love with. It's like a baggy dress. I ordered it in a size 6. I don't know if maybe I should have ordered it a size smaller. I know it's supposed to be baggy, but this was like really baggy. And I think I probably didn't want to order it in a size smaller because I'm tall. So this could just be like a weird dress for my body type. Sometimes if I order like too small of a dress, then it's like too short. So yeah, I don't know if this is going to really work out. It's nice and lightweight for summer. I feel like maybe I could even wear it as just like a beach cover up, like open. I feel like this would be cutest with like little booties, but I don't know. There's buttons on it, so I can't really do a belt to snatch the waist. I would definitely like maybe wear it with like a crossbody. It's cute. I just don't know if it was the cutest on me, but I'd like to try and make it work. So I'm gonna try it out with a couple different like shoes options and accessorize it. Definitely like a good necklace because it's got a nice low neck right there. Not like too low, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna look back and see how the model wore it too, like if it was like that big or what. But regardless, I love everything that I get from there every single time. My last order was like all bathing suits and stuff, and I feel like I've pretty much like posted all of those looks so far. People always ask me where I get my bathing suits from, and I always get the majority of my bathing suits from Missguided because I like to wear like trendy ones that I might not necessarily, you know, wear again. Like it might just be like a one-time look or something like that, and they're so inexpensive that you can get a whole bunch. Like I just posted a picture in a bikini top that I got from there. I got it to like mix and match with a set that I had got last year that the top's too big on me now, and the top's only $5. So it's so inexpensive. I love it. Great quality. I'm always so happy with my orders. So if you haven't ordered from them, I would definitely suggest it. They do different like sales all the time. Like everything's always like 50% off, and then they've been doing like an extra 10 or an extra 15 or an extra 20. So I ordered all this with the 50% off and then an extra 20, which just sounds crazy. But yeah, I'm super happy with my order. I think everything together was only like $130. So I definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't already. They have an app too, which is kind of nice to shop on. So sometimes I'll just like scroll through and save things to my favorites. And then when I get like an email for a sale, I have everything that I've been eyeing already right there. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.